Good morning, students. Subject science, and in that video, I taught yesterday. You understand? I hope you understand about function of stomach, function of duodenum, mean in digestive system of human body. Today I am going to teach you about absorption in large intestine. The absorbed nutrients are carried by blood to cells of our body. Water in the undigested food is absorbed by the walls of large intestine. The remaining undigested and unabsorbed food is stored in the rectum and it is passed out from the body through as feces. What is disorder in digestion? Most of us suffer from problems like constipation or irregular bowel movement. These problems arise due to disorder in digestive process. The causes of disorder in digestion are, what is causes? Causes of irregular food habits. Suppose you are taking breakfast at 7 a.m. today and tomorrow you will take at 8 a.m. This is wrong. This is irregular food habit. Taking food many times a day or skipping meals. This is also harmful in digestion, and not chewing food properly. Minimum, when you are going to take your food, that time you take minimum 20 minutes and chew it. If you are not chewing it properly, that time you can face disorder in digestion. After it, I am going to teach you about nutrition in ruminant. All the animals who chew and eat grass are called ruminant. That all animals which chew and eat grass, they all are ruminant. The ruminants are who plant eating animal that digest cellulose. The example of ruminant animals are, cow, buffalo, goats, sheep, and bison. The ruminant have complicated stomach, consist of 4 chambers like the rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. 4 chamber. You listen carefully. Number 1, rumen. Number 2, reticulum. And number 3, omasum. And number 4 is abomasum. Abomasum. The ruminant have four chamber this, and they quickly swallowed. They quickly swallowed grass and other food material and store in separate part of stomach called rumen. While is the first chamber of stomach, mean when they eating grass, that time they swallow and that keeps in rumen, in first chamber. And here it is acted upon by the bacteria and microorganisms. This partly, digested food, partly digested food, then goes to the second muscular chamber of stomach, the reticulum. From here, this curd return to the mouth, and after returning in mouth are called, mean when it is return in mouth, in small lumps, and in small lumps animal chew it. After chewing, this process of chewing is called rumination, and this second chamber of the stomach, reticulum, bypassing the first two chambers, the rechewed food enter into third chamber, the amoecium. In third chamber is amoecium. The main function of amoecium is to absorb water from food and broken down into still smaller pieces and finally enters the fourth chamber, that is called abomasum. In fourth chamber, here the food is mixed with a variety of digestive juices and the enzyme get upon the food, digestion is completed, and as in the human stomach, after the food sent to the small intestine where the nutrients absorb. Main characteristic of ruminant is in that have four chambers, and one by one, as I taught you, you can see in pictures that four chambers of stomach in ruminant. One by one, first it swallowed whole, and after it again chewed, again goes it in reticulum. After reticulum, it again after reticulum it goes to amoecium. After it in abomasum, and finally goes to small intestine and their nutrients absorbed. This is whole process of digestion in ruminant animals. I hope you understand about digestion in ruminant animals. Today's homework, you will write a short note on ruminant animals or nutrition in ruminant. And I taught you about disorder in digestion, so you will also write this in your note copy.